We are headed to Bonita Falls, so Waterfall in San Bernardino. Cohen is cranky. Desmond is frustrated. Carter fell. For this dead body right here?
What is that? Body wasn't
we lost our kids. We don't know where they went. They are with Desmond's friend, so pretty sure they're not like lost. But I don't like having other people watch my kids, so I gotta find them. Gotta find them quickly. Carson! Oh, I found them. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jojo. Sorry.
Hey guys, over here.
We made it. We made it. I didn't think I was gonna make it. About halfway through, I was ready to give up. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it back down to the car, but this is beautiful. And we made it. Literally worth it. So worth it. Don't tell my midwife.